Don't say very noisy, say deafening. Don't say very often, frequently. Very old, ancient. Very painful, excruciating. Very perfect, flawless. Very poor, destitute. Very powerful, compelling. Very quick, rapid. Very rainy, pouring. Very rich, wealthy. Very sad, sorrowful. Very scared, petrified. Very serious, grave. Very sharp, keen. Very shiny, gleaming. Very short, brief. Very shy, timid. Very simple, basic. Very slow, sluggish. Very clear, obvious. Very clean, spotless. Very angry, furious. Very funny, hilarious. Very easy, effortless. Very big, massive.